Hey guys, Mike here from LB Music School. In this video we are going to go over Drive by Incubus. So this song has an A-B progression, which basically means we have just a verse and just a chorus. First thing we're going to go over is part A. Alright, so let's start off with the chords we're using. First we're going to start with an E minor. We're going to play an open E, 2nd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, open B, and open E. And again, one more time, open E, 2nd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, open B, open E. Next chord we're going to use, it's going to be a D major chord. We're going to, not going to play that low E. We're not going to play the low A either, excuse me. We're going to play the open D, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the E string. And then one more time, block off the E and A. We're going to play our open D, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on our B, 2nd fret on the E string. Sound like this. Open, 2, 3, 4. The next chord we haven't covered yet, but it's very, very similar to a C chord. It's a variation of a C called a C major 7. What we're going to do is we're going to play a regular C chord, which is blocking off our low E, 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, point your finger on the B string, and open E. However, with the chord that we're using for this song, we're gonna remove our pointer finger from the B string and make sure that B string is open. So essentially, from the A string down, we'll have 3, 2, open, open B, and then open E. One more time, blocking off the E string. We have 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D, open G, open B, open E. And one more time from the A string down, 3, 2, open, open, open. The last chord of this section is going to be an A sus2. Again, it's a variation of an A chord. Normally our A chord would be blocking off this E string. We have an open A, 2 on the D string, 2 on the G string, 2 on the B string, and then open E. Instead of playing the normal A chord, we're going to take that 2nd fret on the G string and play it open. So basically we're going to remove one of our fingers. If you're playing it with your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger, you're going to remove your 3rd finger. If you're playing it with your 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger, you're going to remove your pinky. As long as we get rid of that 2nd fret on the B string and play it open, we have our chord. So from the A string down, blocking off our low E, we have open A, 2 on the D, 2 on the G, open B, E. And again, one more time, open A, 2nd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, open B, open E. Let's start off by playing each chord twice. We're not going to jump into the actual rhythm quite yet. Let's just get the order of the chords down first. So we're going to play E minor twice, D twice, that new C major 7 chord twice, and then the A sus2, that new A chord twice. Again, E minor twice, D twice, C major 7 twice, A sus2 twice. So we'll take it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. here's our strumming pattern. We're going to go down, 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 up, up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Again. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. The strumming lasts an entire measure, all 4 beats of a measure with 8th notes and 16th notes. What we're going to do is play our first chord down, 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 up. I'm going to stop there. I'm starting with the E minor. Down, 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 up. The next upstroke, which would be the second upstroke in the entire phrase, is where we're going to switch each chord. So going to the D chord from the E minor. Down, 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 up, down, down. Again, we'll try that again. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. We're going to follow the exact same pattern with the last 2 chords. So, down, 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 up, down, down. C major 7 to A sus2. Up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Here's the full progression, slow, with the strumming pattern. E minor, down, 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 up, D. C major 7, A sus. Here's your progression up to speed. Okay, so jumping into our B section. First chord we're going to play is the C major 7. And the other chord we're going to use is the A7 chord. Not to be confused with the A sus2 chord we used in the B section. With this chord, we're going to play our D string open this time. And we're going to re-add that 2nd fret on the G string. So from the A string down, we have open to open on the G now. 2nd fret on the B, and a high E. Again, one more time, blocking off the low E string. We have an open A. 2nd fret on the D string, open G. 2nd fret on the B string, open E. So for starters, let's play each chord 4 times, nice and slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part is the strumming pattern. Now the strumming pattern is a little unconventional. We're going to play this strumming pattern over the course of 2 measures. What that means is from the beginning of that C chord all the way through the end of that A7 chord, we're going to play an entirely different strumming pattern that entire progression. sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Next half here, we have down, down, up, down, down. We're gonna go right to our A7 here. So down, down, up, down, down, A7. We're gonna finish out the strumming pattern there that we did before. So down, down, up, down, down, A7, down, up, down, down. Again. A7, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Here it is slow, very, very, very slow. Here's that full B section progression fast. 1, 2, full speed. Okay, here's the A section and B section together. In this particular instance, let's do each progression 4 times through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go into the B section. C major 7, A7, 2, 2 more times. Right back to the A. There you have it. That is an easy way to get through Drive by Incubus. The original does use some bar chords that we haven't gone into yet, but hopefully we can jump into soon. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.